When you sneeze in China,
哈
哎，有人在想你。
哈
哎，有人在骂你。
哈
哎，你是不是感冒了？
啊，没事儿没事儿。
Wait, how do you say bless you in Chinese? We don't really say that, but we think one sneeze means someone is missing you. 有人在想你。Two sneezes means someone is cursing you behind your back. 有人在骂你。Thanks for watching. 下次见。